Hello, everyone. Are you really tired of the negativity around and feel so suffocated that you can't even see beyond? If yes, then it's a must watch video for you. Here you go. Do tell me in the comment box below if this sounds familiar to you in any manner what I'm going to discuss now. You have finally gotten a piece of much awaited good news and you immediately share it across all your WhatsApp groups and social media handles. Whether it is getting a coveted new job or a loved one finally recovering from an illness, it doesn't matter what the news is. It just makes you immensely happy. However, suddenly the good news doesn't seem to make sense anymore. Or things might have taken a turn for the worse. It makes you remember the Kala Tika your mother used to put on your forehead or behind your ears to avoid negative energies. Are you surrounded by negativity? Well, the answer is, you don't exactly need to be a monk to sense the subtle changes in vibrations in and around you. When you pay close attention, you can easily recognize and learn the symptoms that you are surrounded by negative energy and need to get rid of the same. Well, some of them are: you feel fidgety and restlessness. You're not able to sleep properly. At times you feel down and anxious. Your thoughts and feelings spiral out of control. You tend to absorb others' negative thoughts very quickly, and you make impulsive decisions. If any of these resonates with you, then you must identify and get rid of those negative influences in your life. Do you feel drained of energy as soon as you meet a particular person or go to a specific place? Since negativity is toxic to your entire system, it is also important to identify the cause and source of this negativity. However, we understand that it is not always easy to detach yourself from such people. So take the first step and cut down on the time you spend with people who drain your energy. It is important to establish and maintain boundaries so that you don't get pushed into situations you don't wish to be a part of. One of the quickest ways to calm yourself down and get back to a state of relaxation is to practice meditation. Find a quiet place and close your eyes. Observe your thoughts as they pace through your head, and do not label them as good or bad. Take deep, relaxing breaths and feel the weight being lifted from your shoulders. If you are not one for meditation, you can also start walking or jogging to lift up your spirits and drive the negative energy away from you. This is especially important when you don't feel like doing anything at all and feel like you're getting sucked into a black hole of negativity. Make a mental note of the number of times you complain in a day. When you do so, you will realize a lot of times the whining and cribbing were completely unnecessary. The more you whine about what is irritating you, the more you pay attention to what is upsetting you, and then you complain some more. Focus on the solution instead of cribbing and complaining, as it doesn't solve anything. You can also take the help of certain unconventional approaches to get rid of negative vibes. Pour salt into the four corners of your room and let it sit for 48 hours. It is believed that salt absorbs the negative energy present in the surroundings. After 48 hours, throw the salt away. You can also try smudging your room with a sage smudge stick for positivity. And even if you do not have sage smudge sticks, you can also use good quality incense stick for a similar effect. Stay close to nature. If you usually keep the windows closed, it is important to keep the windows open and let in sunlight and fresh air. You may also add more plants in and around your house for more vitality and positivity. Also, make it a point to remove dying or dead plants immediately.